Let's close out this module with a recap of the key takeaways. We started out by discussing why AI tools are so transformative for product managers and teams. Just like the iPhone revolutionized how we communicate and access information, AI has massive potential to change how we interact with businesses, products, and each other. Next, you learned a framework for forming a future strategy tied to AI, and it's made up of 3 questions to consider. The first question is, what areas of your product need to change? The second question is, what areas of your product will remain? And the third question is, what completely new additions to your product are now possible? We also touched on the concept of AI principles and how these can help your organization set a strong foundation and ensure everyone is aligned on your approach to security, privacy, and ethical considerations. I shared the 8 AI principles that guide our strategy at Pendo, which include transparency and open communication, data governance, and optionality and customization. Finally, you learned best practices for building AI-powered features based on the concept of there being 4 levels of AI. I also shared 3 reasons why the product manager is the key to the success of AI features. These include moving from level 2 to level 3 is a product question, not a machine learning question. Great AI does not necessarily equal a great product, and the product manager controls the roadmap. Now let's recap some action items you can take to put these learnings into practice. Spend time answering the 3 key questions we covered. With AI, what areas of your product need to change? What areas will remain? And what additions are now possible? If your company doesn't already have AI principles or guidelines, work with the broader product organization and leadership team to establish some. This will help guide your efforts with AI and ensure a solid foundation to your strategy. Finally, if you're planning to build AI-powered features, think about how you can start with level 2 and then use feedback and other data to eventually move to level 3. Now that you've finished this module, you should be able to explain why AI is so transformative for product management, identify ways to adapt your software strategy in the wake of AI, and apply a framework for building AI-powered features.